Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a content creator on YouTube, you know that using copyrighted material can lead to serious issues, including strikes or even removal of your videos. But don't worry, today I'm going to share some fantastic websites where you can find non-copyrighted videos that you can use freely in your projects. Let's dive in. First up is Pexels. Pexels offers a wide range of high-quality videos that are completely free to use. You can search for videos by keyword, and all content is licensed under the Pexels license, meaning you can use it for personal and commercial projects without any attribution required. Just head over to pexels.com and start exploring. Next, we have Pixabay. Like Pexels, Pixabay is a treasure trove of free stock videos and photos. All videos are released under the Pixabay license, which allows for personal and commercial use without attribution. Just search for your topic and you'll find tons of relevant footage to enhance your videos. Check it out at pixabay.com. Another great resource is Videvo. Videvo offers free stock footage and motion graphics, and the best part is that many videos don't require attribution. However, some videos do have specific licensing requirements, so make sure to check the details before using. Visit videvo.net to see what they have to offer. Don't miss out on Cover. This site provides beautiful, free stock video footage that you can use in any project. The videos are updated weekly, and there's no attribution required, making it a great choice for YouTubers looking for fresh content. You can find them at cover.co. Another fantastic option is Mixkit. Mixkit offers a curated collection of high-quality stock videos and music tracks that are free to use. The website is easy to navigate, and you can find videos by category or search for specific keywords. Visit mixkit.co to check it out. Last but not least, we have Videasy. This platform offers a mix of free and premium stock videos. While many videos are free to use with attribution, some require a subscription for the highest quality. Just be sure to read the licensing information. You can find it all at videasy.com. That wraps up our list of amazing sites for non-copyrighted videos. Using these resources can help you enhance your content while avoiding copyright issues. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks on creating awesome YouTube videos. Let us know in the comments which site you found the most useful, or if you have any other recommendations. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.